Unit 2 Vocabulary 1. Words easily confused. Complete the sentences using the correct form of the words in the boxes. The correct form means if you needed to add plural s, you can. Shortage, shortages. Or maybe if you have a verb, you can add ing. This is what we mean by correct form. Absence. Absence is a noun. The adjective is absent with a T, which means you fail to attend. You're supposed to be somewhere, but you are not there. Lack, when you don't have enough of something or none of it. Shortage, the same thing, when you don't have enough of something. But it doesn't mean you have none. Lack could mean you have none of it. Loss. Loss is a noun. The verb is lose. When you lose, you don't win, or maybe you can't find something anymore. You don't have it. You lost it. 1. Jeremy didn't come to the meeting, and the manager commented on his absence. He wasn't in the meeting. He was absent. If it doesn't rain in spring, there will be. Spring is a season. If it doesn't rain in spring, there will be of water this summer. What do you think we should use? Shortage or lack? Both of them are correct, but know something. Lack is an uncountable noun, whereas shortage is a countable noun. We have a or an here. Do you see it? Which means we can only use countable nouns. We will use shortage. Maria reported. When you report, you give information. The of her passport. The loss of her passport to the police. Amanda was given the job in spite of, even though she doesn't have enough experience. Lack of experience. Succeed, achieve, accomplish, and manage are all verbs. We don't have nouns here. Verb, 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 and verb. When you succeed, you get the results you want. Achieve, when you reach a target. Accomplish is when you complete a task. Manage, when you succeed in doing something difficult. Do you think he will to finish all the work by tomorrow's deadline? Deadline is the last time allowed. You have until tomorrow to finish all the work, a lot of work. Manage. Do you think he will manage? He will be able to do that successfully? In many computer games, you have a number of tasks. A task is a piece of work that has to be done. To get a high score, you need to accomplish, complete tasks to get high score. Karim was chosen because his communication skills will help him succeed as a manager. He has communication skills that will make him successful. Successful is the adjective. Succeed is a verb. By the way, succeed is not a verb in the past. Succeed is in the present. The past is succeeded. Succeeding, ing, okay? Ken's training. Ken is training really hard to achieve his goal of taking part in the Olympics. Ken is dreaming of participating in the Olympics, and he wants to achieve that. Reach his target. Beach, shore, and coast. Nouns. They can be confusing. Beach is an area of land that is next to the sea or the ocean. Shore is the land along the edge of lake, sea, or ocean. Coast is the land along the sea or ocean. Now I want you to pay attention to the pronunciation of this word. It's coast. This is cost. These two can be confusing to many. This is cost and this is coast. Different words, different pronunciations, different meanings, okay? Now what is the difference between coast and shore? Now this can be at the edge of a lake. This cannot be at the edge of a lake. This goes along the sea or the ocean, okay? A new high-speed train line has been built along means forming a line, the west coast of Scotland. Many wild animals live on the of Lake Victoria. It's a shore. We have a Lake Victoria here. Building sandcastles on the... What is a sandcastle? What you see is a sandcastle. Beach is a summer tradition in Britain. Climate, not climate, no. Climate, weather and temperature. Climate is the standard weather in an area. What is the climate in Jeddah? It is hot in summer, and it is not cold, it is cool in winter. That is the climate, the standard thing. Weather. The weather means how hot or how cold the weather is, the temperature, and other conditions like if there are clouds, if it's sunny, if it's windy, snowy. Temperature is only focused on how hot or how cold the weather is. We are only talking about how hot or how cold. This is temperature, without focusing on the rain, snow, wind, or anything else. Global warming is a general increase in the world's temperature, has increased the world's average temperature. The world is getting hotter and hotter every year. Latin America is the countries of South America and Central America that speak Spanish or Portuguese, has a much more humid. Humid is when you feel that the air is wet than most of Europe. Climate, more humid climate. Today's weather forecast. What is a weather forecast? It's a description of what the weather is going to be like in the future. Is tomorrow going to be sunny or cloudy? Is for heavy snow. Heavy snow means a lot of snow. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with friends. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. Goodbye.